beautiful. I love you. I love you. See, I get all those beautiful.
What's the matter?
They say I'm ugly.
No! Come on, you're beautiful! Oh, baby. Oh, baby. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. I love you. I love you. Get up. Hey.
Sister, Mommy don't love us anymore. Mommy doesn't
beautiful.
love us anymore. I love you. Love you. Mom don't love us anymore. Mom, you don't love us. Please love us. Mom, I love you.
No, Mom, so what? No, Mommy. Oh, no. How could you? How could you? You bought our lovely trainers and I have none. Mom, that's not fair.
God make us all, and He loves us unconditionally, and that's how I love you. What can I do to help you?
No, I'm upset so much and I don't want anyone to talk to me.
You mustn't.
No one talk to me.
You mustn't. Love is not just a word. It's how we hug each other. It's how we care. You smile, I smile. You're sad, I'm sad. Your pain is my pain. I share your pain, and I believe in you. Don't let anyone take your power. You all have power. Love me where I be family with a great big hug. From me and you, won't you say I love you too? Family.
Families should be together. Families should support one another. But it is not always happening. Where is the love? We are family.
One
Lord, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.